Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you this makeup look using all Maven Beauty makeup products, and I actually only used one eyeshadow for this whole makeup look. Of course, I'm also using lashes and eyeliner, but for the eyeshadow, I only used one shade, and I cannot wait for you guys to see how I did this. So, of course, you want to start with primed eyelids, and then I went in with the Maven Beauty Cosmic Drip eyeshadow palette in the shade Nova, and I'm gonna take the bluest sparkly shade, and I'm actually just gonna start using it with my finger, just applying this all over the eyelid. You want to go back in with your finger a few times to really build up the color pigmentation, but really take your time with this. Actually, I've never used a shimmery eyeshadow only for my crease and my eyelids, so this was kind of new for me, but I really like how this eye look turned out. And considering that it was so easy using only one eyeshadow, like it's not time consuming anyway. The only thing is you want to do is apply the eyeshadow on top of the eyelid and then take a clean blending brush and go around the edges to make sure that it doesn't really look packed on, if that makes sense. You want to make sure that the edges of the eyeshadow are a little bit more softer. And then I went in with a brush, made it a little bit wet with some setting spray, and applied another layer to make the metallic sheen a little bit more intense. Then now I take a flat brush and doing the same thing at the other side, packing on the product, sweeping my brush back and forth, and again I use that same blue eyeshadow. Of course, if you are recreating this makeup look, you can use some more shades if you like, but as you can see in this video, it's not necessarily at all. So after applying the eyeshadow, I went in with the Maven Beauty liquid liner in black, and what I really like about this eyeliner is that you can twist it, which makes it so unique, because what happens a lot of times with liquid liners like this one is that the tip dries out. But since you can twist the end, new product will run to the tip, and this way your liquid eyeliner pen will never dry, which I think is genius. And the pigmentation of this eyeliner is also really nice. It's super black, applies really smoothly. Smoothly, is that even a word? It applies really smooth. Super black. So yeah, this is a really nice eyeliner. So I'm gonna go for a wing liner today. If you're recreating this makeup look and maybe you have hooded eyes, or for whatever reason you don't really like going in with a wing liner, of course you don't have to. You can keep it with a simple line above the lash line, or you can even skip this step, but I personally really like to use eyeliner. It really makes my eye shape a little bit more catty, which I really like, and the bold eyeliner also, I don't know, I just really like it, but it's optional, of course. Then now I'm going in with a light blue pencil in one line. You can also go for a nude pencil or a black pencil if you want your eye look to be a little bit more smoky. Then I'm gonna curl the lashes. I always do this before going with mascara. And of course, I'm gonna apply mascara on the upper lashes and the lower lashes. I'm actually gonna use a really beautiful lashes today, which are also by Maven Beauty. I think these are probably one of my favorite styles from this brand. This is how they look in the packaging, and the number is 13. I am more of a natural lash kind of girl, but this one, for some reason, even though it's a little bit more dramatic, I just think it looks so beautiful on the eyes. I really like this one, and I think it's my favorite. So I applied them like I always do, applying it on the, like right above the lashes, and then pressing against the skin. And here you could see the before and after with only mascara and with the lashes. I don't know, I just really like these lashes. I think they're so pretty and fluffy, and I like that they kind of go from short to long. It really gives a sultry effect. So yeah, this is the end result. If you want to purchase any of the Maven Beauty products, I will link everything down in the description bar. I really like this makeup look. I think it's perfect for summer. I really like to play with color when the sun is out. I really like it, and I think this eye look will also look beautiful on brown eyes. I definitely feel it kind of made my eyes look even more bluish, but on brown eyes, this is gonna look so pretty as well. Let me know if you're gonna try it out. I would love to hear your feedback in the comment section. I really hope you all enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye everyone!
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart